Thank all of you. Me, I'm going straight. They've said everything. They've spoken all the English. So the one that I will speak, I don't know which one I'm going to speak now. Now I want to say that I want to go to straight. We're not going to I and all those who believe in me and those of you who are committed to the interests of the Niger Delta, we're not going to be part of any protest. It's as clear as that. If anybody have the right to protest, I also have the right to resist protest. Where your right stop, that's where my right begins. I am anti-protest. People will say that they've given him money. That's why he's talking this way. I am now. Go take your own. Me, I don't take my own. Because a lot of people make these claims. And when they make this claim, you now start to hide. When they make this claim, you now start to be apologetic. We were all here. The same formula, the same pattern. When our brother was there, they protested. Today, another of our brother is here. They want to protest. It's the truth. When you allow yourself to be used, when you always bend their back for people to ride on you, they will continue to ride on you. Like the IYC president said, our needs included in their 10-point demands? No. So we are not important to them. But it's our resources that they want to share. We are not important to, but they want to share our resources. I want to say that me, I have the capacity. I'll be away, Keme. I have the capacity. If you carry your protest, come near me, you will collect. Those who brought anti-SARS protest and went to Obibo, they collected from me Woto. Everybody knows it. The government knows it. The security agent knows it. I gave them Woto. Look, don't be deceived by flowery words. Don't be deceived by people's flowery words. Statement they make. Look at their life. What have they done to impact on their society, on the environment? Not be today hospital, no day for Buguma. Not be today hospital, no day for Bonima. Not be today hospital, no day for Calabari land. It has always been there. And I will not expect that my friend came 1 year after. I say because hospital no day for Buguma, we don't close since 1990 something, I should kick my friend out of power. I will not be part of it. These are anarchists. When you fail election, wait for another election season. It's 4 years. Go and sell yourself to the people. But you say you will not agree. After you have failed, you will continue. Then you are not patriotic. You are the problem of this country. You are not patriotic. You are the problem of this country. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu won this election against all odds. No candidate had gone through the travails that President Ahmed Bola Tinubu went through to win this election. Everything was against him, and he triumphed. Wait for your turn. See, let me tell you. Let me tell you one thing. Don't pretend about it. We are all sitting here peacefully. It will be good for you to visit Liberia, visit Somalia, visit Venezuela, visit Somalia, and ask those people. I was in Libya, I was a friend of Gaddafi, I lived in Libya. Libya was paradise. Today, Libya is hellfire. 90% of those who led this anarchy against Gaddafi, they are all dead. Let nobody deceive you that there will be peaceful protest. It's not a peaceful protest. It's a call to anarchy. Have you read the 10-point demand? A change of government. It's a change of government, a change of constitution, a change of this. Is that demand for good governance? That is a coup. And we have to resist. All of us, yes, people have been hungry. This is not the first time, and nobody is happy that people are hungry. We are all working so that people, the burden on the shoulder of the people will be lifted up and will be carried away. The president has done this, the president has done that, the president is doing this, he's not doing that. When a government comes to power, we cease to be political party members. We cease to be PDP, we cease to be APC, we cease to be YPP, we cease to be any other party. We all now have a party called Nigeria. Party Nigeria, that's what we are. And we must all work. No religion says that you must pray for your government to fail. Anywhere you see a small thing for the government to fail, immediately you jump in. The government must fail. This government will not fail. This government will not fail. This government will stand. We might have differences. We must also tell those in government that if you are in government, you must not use your power in government to suppress the people and to cause anarchy. There are people in government say, now we dey, now we go deal with you. You know if you deal with me. You know if you deal with me. Me, you know if you deal with me, I they tell you. Now me, they tell you, say, no, if you deal with me. So those who think they can deal with us, they should not spoil the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Me, I know Ahmed Bola Tinubu. I have known him to his bedroom. And I know that there is no president that had come in this country that is like Ahmed Bola Tinubu. I'm not, all of you know me, I don't flatter people. In fact, I specialize in abusing people. So I don't flatter people. I don't. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu and